Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation basically we are discussing one topic that is India account creation. One person told that each and everything basically which is created, that is basically created on the base of energies basically, right? For example, Vadodara city is created. So Vadodara city is created on the base of set of energies. And Vadodara is creating potato and tomato. That is human needs. Here basically I have taken as an example of potato and tomato. Few building basically got collapsed. Due to that basically potato and tomato demand and supply is going to affect. Due to that basically demand and supply of potato will get affected. So another person told that in this world basically there is no city which is selling that basically we are 100% perfect. Why? Because the data gets processed, get processed. Microsoft, even Microsoft like company basically can't say that their product are 100% correct. So he can say that 98 percentage. That also not also 99, 98 percentage. Why? Because the data gets processed. As the data get processed, it might possible that the system basically can get error. So one of the person told that in this world basically is there any professor basically who has created this type of thing basically? For example, CRM product is there, right? Basically, customer relationship management. What it contain? Customer comes to the area where the product are getting purchased. Billing, everything, each and every customer relationship management system happens. There goes to billing. After billing, basically it goes to some other process. Then basically recreation of the maintenance is like this. Each and every process basically starts. And customer relationship basically gets maintained basically. If customer is basically having some anniversary, then basically if he having some occasion, that type of basically the messages, everything, each and everything basically is getting maintained. Reason you have to maintain the stuff basically. So one of the person told that there also basically it can be error because assume that basically from CRM product basically you are creating some Apple basically. So CRM product basically is creating Apple and assume that basically that product is very big company created by some big company and that data basically keeps on processing basically keeps on processing and the data of Apple basically keeps on creation. It keeps on creation. It keeps on creation. So that data basically never stops. Basically. That data basically never stops. That data keeps on processing, keeps on. So one of the person told that when basically you are consuming the data basically your body basically gets effect, right? So another person told that in near your body basically, for example, I am basically currently doing the presentation in this video basically. So what are the energies basically near around me basically? First data is police department basically. Their energy basically are always near me basically. Why? Because there in Vadodara city, assume that 35 lakh people basically are there. Near 35 lakh people basically police energy is always there. So if you are doing any damage to police, they are immediately going to fire to that energy. Doctors energy. If you are creating problem to doctors in Vadodara city, the doctors energy will get react and they will fire. software industry energy. If you are creating problem to software industry, that energy will get fire basically. So one of the person told that nobody is happy, right? Basically in this world, in this assume that basically in Vadodara city 35 lakh people basically are. So it's not compulsory that each and every departments of Vadodara city who are basically near around your body basically energies are happy. Their department basically are happy. It's not possible, na, basically. Software industry basically. So software industry basically everybody are happy basically. Currently basically I'm not getting job, so I'm not happy. So it's not possible that each and every departments basically are happy. Police department. So everybody basically in police department basically might not be happy. Construction department basically. Vadodara construction department basically. So one of the person told that this comes into the business basically. Like this basically the business are handled basically. Reason behind is public give the business. Public handles the demand supply. So the people who is handling the Vadodara city, they say that basically public only basically have to suffer. Public only have to suffer. That's the strategy of the person who is handling the India. That is everybody knows who is currently Prime Minister and who is Chief Minister of Gujarat. So I am basically getting problem, right? Basically. So near around me basically, whatever government departments are there basically, their energy basically are creating problem to me, right? Why? Because everything is connected with government only basically. So my body, for example, my hand is paining, leg is paining, head is paining, eye is paining. So this everything connected to the government department basically. That is Chief Minister and I am currently in Vadodara. So that connects to Gujarat Chief Minister basically. And central basically it's Prime Minister. And presidents also basically. So each and every people basically of Vadodara city, they are connected with central and state minister basically. They take the decision. So one person told that, do you have the list of data basically which say that basically I am near around you? So one of the data science project told that basically no, yeah, Sunil, basically there is no project actually created in this world basically. In this world basically there is no project created which say that basically we are near around you, because it's going to create lots of system basically you can say as a system error basically. For example, I am not getting job basically, right? Because my near around energy basically are creating problem to me basically. If I am basically telling against the Gujarat Chief Minister and India Prime Minister, then that energy will create effect to me basically. So few people told that basically how to remove this everything basically. Because without Chief Minister, Gujarat basically can't run. Without Prime Minister, India also basically can't run. So you can't remove that basically from your body. And you basically can't remove government energy from the near around body also basically. You can't remove police department basically from near around you. Why? Because they say that basically without us basically you run the city basically, then see basically we will give whatever money you want basically, because the city is created up to that level basically. So one person told that run basically city without software industry basically. So one person told that also basically. One doctor told that basically run basically city without doctors. One retail industry told that basically run mall city basically without malls and shops basically. So one person told that near around basically which all energy basically contains. So that is actually very dangerous question basically. And this is basically connecting to the error of the medical industry, health industry, and government industry. One person will watch this video, no, basically, who actually is investing the money and who is basically will be responsible for Earth, planet, whatever creation. He will basically do the nuclear blast only, basically. He will do the nuclear blast basically after listening this everything error basically. First error basically everybody knows near around basically. I will take Vadodara city example only, and I will take my example only. From that only basically it will be clear very clearly. So near around basically there are many energies. First basically is government sector. Government sector basically are always basically telling that basically you can't go outside India basically without our permission, because government rules everybody knows. When basically you take the birth, that time basically you get the punishment only basically. Why you have cried? That comes to noise pollution basically. So child basically gets birth basically, so he is not supposed to cry in India basically. Not India basically. Entire governments are basically one. So one person told that you are not supposed to cry basically when you get the birth and basically child. So whenever basically child gets birth basically you have to tell them basically, don't cry basically. Otherwise you will get punishment from government basically. So one energy is government. So that is government basically. Then basically in government basically all sector came basically. Every sectors basically came. Then basically the departments are basically the future creation department basically. Future creation department basically. Future data basically you can say. Future data means the people basically who are going to come and who are going to become and going to grow basically you can say. From first stage basically you are going to give growth, second age, from second, third, like this basically you are going to grow basically. That age group basically energy are near around you basically. So wherever you are staying, for example, you are staying in Vadodara city. So near Vadodara city basically, there are how many types of age basically, people basically. Near around you basically, how many types of age basically energies are setted basically. So that is very dangerous thing basically. One of the person told that why actually, how basically this type of system basically is created, and who created this. That is basically also question. So one person told that one to at least basically your age is, assume that basically your age is 42, 43. So 1 to 43 basically people basically 100% might be, their energy basically 100% might be connected. First is the current age people basically, that are basically near around your age. Second is smaller than you basically, and third is older than you. Their energy basically are always connected. That is 35 lakh people basically. As in that in Vadodara city, 35 lakh people basically are there. So 35 lakh people's live energy are connected. You can't believe it basically. You can't believe this basically. So one of the person told why basically, and that is basically the chaining system. That is the chaining system basically. That's why basically one of the person told that to break the chain basically nuclear bomb is the only option. And what is that nuclear? What is actually nuclear basically? Nuclear basically means what basically? Something basically you can't break it basically. Until basically he will finish his task basically. After that only basically he is going to leave. After that only basically he is going to leave. So nuclear basically. So one person told them near around this. So there is one person basically like this basically 35 lakh people basically are there. So 35 multiplied by that much energy basically. So minimum 6 crore energy will be there basically. So 6 crore multiplied by 35 lakh basically. So more than 100 crore basically you can say. More than 100 crore. So more than 100 crore energy basically are near around you. So one person told that in India account basically it's written that how many energy basically are around one person basically. That is blood group person basically. For example, my blood group is A positive. So in A positive, how many energies are basically covered basically near around me basically, which is written in India account. So you can just imagine basically accounts department of the India basically who are handling the banks basically who are handling the India account basically how dangerous task basically they are doing, and they are directly connected with healthcare department basically. They are so here is the base basically you can say. So one of the person told that the business का जो root है the root of the business basically that is this only basically, and this everything basically is a root of the business basically. So one of the person told the MBA book is created na basically the root of the MBA book is this basically data. On the basis of this data basically around me basically I'm taking my example only around me basically the business are basically created. So myself one like this 35 lakh people basically. So how many business basically is going to generate? So see basically what is the MBA book basically. So the MBA book basically which is created na basically they basically created according to they have created the because human body basically can take up to level of energy only basically. So the business basically you are creating the data basically in MBA basically. So one of the person told the MBA वाले तो क्या करते हैं यार? They are doing very dangerous role basically. So passing them the data na basically that is very dangerous basically. So pass very carefully basically data of MBA because they basically have to blindly do the business only basically. They are not basically they are aware basically that near around basically my how many energies are there basically. They will do their 100% task basically. MBA group basically are going to do their 100% task basically. So the data basically which is getting passed basically to MBA department basically that should be very. So another person told that data passing is the most dangerous role basically. How much data you are passing to each education sector basically. After that only basically the departments comes. Education sector equal to department basically. So one of the person told that the most dangerous thing is near around your data basically, near around your body basically. How many data are basically there near around you and your body parts. So that is the topic basically which we are going to discuss in next video. This connects to accounts department, sorry, India accounts department, and this is the most dangerous topic basically.